Apple pie overnight oats. All right, so as you can see here for apple pie overnight oats, it's a super simple recipe. All the things you're going to need are oats, some type of non-dairy milk. You're going to need apples, raisins, pumpkin seeds, cinnamon, vanilla, and um, coconut flakes. So if you don't have all those ingredients, not a big deal. But if you do have them, this is going to be an amazing recipe. All right. So as you can see here, you're going to start by putting the milk in the bottom of whatever container you're using in, and then you're going to put the oats in. That way you don't have to worry about it sticking to the bottom and getting those clumps. And it also helps the oats absorb the liquid better. From there, next add in your apples. Like I said, if you don't have apples, use whatever kind of fruit you do have because most fruit tastes amazing with vanilla, cinnamon, raisins, and coconut flakes. All right, once you have all your ingredients in your jar, you put the lid on, shake it vigorously, make sure everything gets coated with the liquid, and you're good to go. Put it in the refrigerator, and overnight, everything's going to absorb, and you're going to have breakfast. The more of these you make, the more breakfasts you'll have. Hope this was helpful to you, and until next time, keep grazing.